Hi kids. So if you watch the channel much, you might have seen the short that I did a while back on how to remove and install these lights. Here last week I came out and noticed that my light is broken. So I went ahead and ordered these aftermarket ones. These are not Hondas, these are cheapo eBays. We're gonna see how these fit, how they look, and we're also gonna go ahead and swap in an LED bulb. Why not? But what I typically like to do is use a small flat blade screwdriver. Now again, to take that loose, work this into the top first. Then go into the front. Then go into the back. This is the bulb that is typically used. This is the incandescent kind of factory style bulb. We're going to be using this LED bulb. It's an amber colored one. We're going to see what we think of that. So these are Sylvanias. They're kind of expensive. They're like 20 bucks for two of them. But they are yellow in color. These bulbs are polarized, so if you put them in the wrong way, they won't work. Turn it around. There it is. All nice and yellow. Pretty. Looks good. Doesn't look very bright in the day, but at night it'll look good. And at night, they look like this. Pretty good. Not super bright, just bright enough. I like them. So remember kids, you can do this, I promise. See you next week.